Hello everyone, this is your sensei, Joe Lau, and this is the Phyre Dojo. Here I'm practicing getting YUCCA on a PAULOWNIA board. So first I'm going to mate it, and then I'm going to put a notch in it. There we go. Hear the sound change. Should be good. I'm going to put it on the bandsaw. Okay, there's our notch. Okay, here we go. YUCCA on PAULOWNIA. Just floating at the top. Getting some nice dust. I think we've got our coal. Yes, we do. So YUCCA on PAULOWNIA, just for practice. There we go. Very nice. Let's keep going. So today we're just going to do a little bit of practice. This is a just under 2-foot stalk of horseweed. It's 23 inches. Okay. Now at the base end of this spindle, it is just over 3/8 of an inch. Okay. And at the top here, it is 3/8 of an inch. Right. I'm working with two cameras here. This one here is going to get a close-up, more or less, of what's going on down here at the base. Okay, so let's secure this down. And then over here you can see what I'm doing here. Now this already has a notch in it. It's already been used. This is pine, by the way. You can see there's nothing in the notch, but there soon will be. Alright, horseweed. Alright, let's do this. Get situated. There we go. Getting friction, some smoke, some dust. I'm just going to float up here at the top for a little bit. Get a little speed. Take a rundown, and there's our coal. Horseweed on pine. This is called clear pine. It has no knots. So, horseweed on pine. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, and we're going to practice a little bit. Here we have, again, a 20-inch yucca stalk, which is about half an inch at the bottom, and 3/8 of an inch at the top. Okay. Our base today is going to be GANODERMA, which I like to call shell fungus, which you might have seen growing on the sides of trees. They make a really great base. You have to, excuse me, I'm working with two cameras here. So here's our base. It's a, I put this on the bandsaw. It's a carved piece, so it's a little bit square. Okay, and you can see it has no notch right now, so we have to mate it together. So that's what we're going to do. Just going to get this started. Okay. And then I'm going to put a notch in it with the bandsaw, which is right here, just for convenience. Alright, I think that's mated. So I'm going to quickly put that on the bandsaw. And there's our piece. Nice quick notch. Let's put that back. Sure that's in focus there. So we're going to see this up close and personal here. The notch looks a bit high, but I think we could fill it. So again, we're using GANODERMA as a base for the yucca stalk. So let's raise that temperature up. And we got our coal. There we go. Now, if you don't know, GANODERMA makes a great coal extender. So if this coal touches this base for an extended period, the whole thing starts to coal up. But we don't want that. We want to save that. Alright. So there we go. Alright. Let's keep going. Alright, so we're continuing our practice, and here I have an 18-inch yucca stalk. It's a little over 3/8 of an inch at the base, 3/8 of an inch at the top. Okay. And our base today, since I'm using 2 cameras, is tinder fungus. This is a section of tinder fungus. Some of these tinder funguses can grow really huge. Okay. And here's a very small section cut out on the bandsaw. And here we have a socket with a notch. It's not mated yet. Okay. And hopefully this isn't going to fall apart as I do this. This piece has a crack in it. Okay. Let's make sure that's in frame. Should be able to see the whole thing take place. Okay. Alright. There's my pad. Okay. Let's get this mated, warmed up. It's a really high notch, but I think we can fill it, and we just keep going real nice and easy. We're getting some good smoke, some good dust. It's taking a while for the notch to fill because it's really high. Probably should have pre-filled it. Oh, we got a coal. Just rolled out of there. Have some that are kind of stuck here on the edge. Actually, the tinder fungus has caught, which is what happens if you let the coal sit next to the tinder fungus for too long. Well, that's really cold up. Well, I don't want to lose this, so I'm going to dig it out. Still in there. Did I get it all? Nope, still. Okay, there we go. That's a lot of pieces. Alright. Tinder fungus as a base. Yucca. Spindle. Alright. Let's keep going.